Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Workday how to change direct deposit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To update your direct deposit information in Workday, first what you need to do is head over and open up the app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account. Then once you are here, click on Pay Application from your Workday homepage. If it's not visible, click on View All Apps to find it. Then under the View or Update Payment Elections, select Add Payment Elections or Payment Elections. Then to add a new account, click on Add Account button. Then to edit an existing account, click on Edit button next to the account you wish to modify. Then fill in the required information like account name, bank name, routing number, account type, account number. Then choose the payment type and specify how you want your pay distributed. And then once done, click on OK or Submit to save your changes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.